Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best spreadsheet tips and tricks to boost your productivity. Today we are diving into one of the most useful features of Google Sheets, that's freezing rows and columns. Freezing rows and columns allows you to keep important information visible as you scroll through your spreadsheet. It's incredibly handy, especially when you're dealing with large datasets. Let's get started. First, select the row or column you want to freeze. Simply click on the number or letter corresponding to the row or column. Now navigate to View menu at top of the screen. Click on Freeze. Then select either one row or one column, depending on your preference. If you want to freeze multiple rows or columns, select the row or column below or to the right of the ones you want to freeze. Once again, go to View menu, click on Freeze, and this time choose up to current row or up to current column. And that's it. Your selected rows or columns are now frozen, making it easier to navigate through your spreadsheet while keeping key information in view. And that's it. Your spreadsheet rows or columns are now frozen, making it easier to navigate through your spreadsheet while keeping key information in view. Remember, freezing rows or columns can be real time saver, especially when you are working with complex data. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more spreadsheet tips and tricks.